Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find saved videos on YouTube on your iPhone or Android. Now, let's say you went into a video and you didn't want to watch it now. There are two different options to be able to save it. You can see, of course, a download button. If you have YouTube Premium, you might have downloaded it, but more likely you just tap the save button and you want to know where it goes. You can see it usually defaults to the watch later or the saved playlist. We can easily find that just by hopping out here. And you're going to tap on the U button at the very bottom right there. Now, you'll be able to see it says playlists here. If I tap on playlists, it will open up with watch later or maybe a saved playlist. You can tap on it and there is that video that you just saved. You can always tap on it to watch it or tap those three dots and you can hit remove from watch later if you no longer wanted to save it in there. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys.